here at the Hill Building in Central West End in St. Louis. This is the old General Dover. Check out how small this elevator is. It's been a while since I've ridden this elevator. This is the elevator that has the wonderful feature of when you close the gate all the way, which I actually can't demonstrate it without it doing that. This is the elevator with the wonderful feature where the fan turns on when the gate's closed. So we're going to turn the light off and go to 2. Here's the instructions in case you don't know how to use the elevator. And we'll go back down to 1. As you can see, the fan only works when the gate's closed. All right, well, there it goes. And that's it.